Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear iMessage chat. All right, so first up, open up the message app, okay, or the messaging app. Now, once you're in here, there are actually two methods. The first option, or the first method, is by completely wiping the chat. So for example, I would like to delete or wipe this chat right here from this contact. I could just easily swipe left, just like so. And as you can see, the delete option or function is now available. So I got to tap on delete, and once done, you're good to go. Now let's just go ahead and recover it real quick right here. Recover. And by the way, once you're on this recovery section, you can basically delete it once more, so it will be completely gone. Now, if you want to keep it, it will be right here available for 29 days, okay, or 30 days. And then once the 30-day period has gone, well, this one will be deleted, or everything right here will be deleted. Okay? Now, if you want to recover it, just tap on recover. Recover. Done. It's back. So the other option, or the second method, is by clearing specific messages inside the chat. Now, what you'll do is go ahead and tap and hold on a specific chat. So for example, this one. And then more right here. And then after that, you'll have this feature in the left panel. You can basically select the messages that you wanted to delete. Okay, for example, that, this game right here, that. And then once you're done, tap on the delete button, tap on delete the messages. And after that, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to clear iMessage chat. This video helps. I'll see you in the next one.